The first step to growing fast on YouTube in 2025 is to make sure that you actually set up your YouTube channel correctly. Now, you don't want to set up a YouTube channel with no banner or um, an inattractive banner, an inattractive profile picture. You're going to bring yourself no good because you won't be memorable for anything. People will just, you'll be creating videos for nothing because nobody will remember you for anything. Your channel is not saying anything, your banner is not saying anything, your profile picture is not attractive. What do you want them to remember you for? You're not going to be getting subscribers, your subscribers will be decreased, and that is not what you want. So right now, I need you to head over to your YouTube studio to do the following. Let's get into it. Make sure that your channel banner and profile picture is memorable. It leaves your name, your face in the minds of your audience. Make sure that your banner gives them something to subscribe, tells them why they should subscribe, and gives them a reason to subscribe. Like seeing YouTube growth tips and tutorials on my banner, you're going to want to subscribe if you want to grow on YouTube. Now make sure that your profile picture is bright enough and bold. If you look at my profile picture, it's bright and it is bold. Next thing you want to do is click on customize channel, and then it can enable you change your banner or change your profile picture. Here you can decide to change your banner from this top, the first part, banner image, or you can decide to change or remove your profile picture, as the case may be. So next thing you want to do is head over to your settings and change or put in one or two settings in place so that your videos can start picking up. Next thing, you head over to your channel and you want to make sure that you have chosen the correct country of residence, which is the very first thing, and then you put in basic keywords with your channel name as the very first keyword, as you can see me do. Then you put in keywords relating to the content you want to be creating. So I have done that, and then you also put in keywords of your competitors. So if your competitor's name is J's Tips or J's Tips 1 or O2 Styles, whatever name of your competitors, make sure you have them as your keywords in your basic info so that YouTube algorithm will know who to send your content to. If you don't do it rightly, YouTube will not be sending your content to the right audience, and you will not be getting the required or the desired reach. So I hope this is clear. If you have more questions, you can ask in the comment section. That's not the only thing to do. You need to also make sure that you're posting at the right frequency and your content have the right length, the right duration, the right timing, and also you're choosing the right topics for your content. If you do any of these three things wrong, it might be the reason why you fail to grow on YouTube in this 2025. If you see my face for the first time, do also subscribe, like, share, turn on your post notification so that you do not miss out on any of our updates. Now, the length of what my content should be depends on the topic I want to create content on. So let's say if I want to create content on YouTube algorithm, I search YouTube algorithm, YouTube algorithm. YouTube algorithm, and I look through. Now I'm going to see, now this is also going to show me if this is a topic my audience wants to watch. Now look at it, top searches for this topic. What does the YouTube algorithm favor? That has a low volume, that means my audience are not watching that topic. How to beat the YouTube algorithm has a medium volume, which means my audience are likely to watch it. They're going to watch it, but not everybody's going to watch. And how YouTube algorithm works, that has a very high volume, which means that is what my audience want to watch or what my audience are watching or searching for. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you're going to see how long your content should be. Now look at this first video, is 12 minutes 19 seconds long. The second one is 9 minutes 37 seconds long. This one is 29 minutes 21 minutes and 6 seconds long. Now I'm going to show you more. The next one is 11 minutes 18 seconds long. Another one 8 minutes 34 seconds. And 20 minutes. This one's 21 minutes. This one over an hour. This one is 15 minutes. This one is 9 minutes long. This one is 6 minutes. This one is 9 minutes 35 seconds. And this was 3 months ago. This is 10 minutes and this was 2 months ago. You're also going to be checking the duration, like how long ago that video was posted, to know the duration you should post. Now this other one is 9 minutes 50 seconds and it was posted 10 months ago. This one is 15 minutes 8 seconds and it was posted 4 months ago. This one is 4 minutes and it was posted a year ago. That's a bit long. This one is 10 minutes 10 seconds. It was posted 23 hours ago. This one is 4 minutes 23 seconds. It was posted 5 months ago. Now the most recent ones are 4 months. Were posted 4 months ago, and they are within 9 minutes to 15 minutes 8 seconds. So that should tell you that the video you'll be creating on YouTube on this most searched topic right now, how YouTube algorithm works, should be between 9 minutes and 15 seconds. Else your viewers might not be watching your video because YouTube will not be pushing your video, because your video is not the right duration, it's not the right length. So while uploading your videos, always make sure that your video is the right length and you're uploading at the right frequency, the right number of times you should be uploading in a week to meet or beat your competitors. I really hope that you understand this part. As a beginner on YouTube, choose a narrow niche. You don't have to post content on several niches at the same time. When you go bigger, you can decide to do that. But as a beginner, choose a narrow niche. Narrow down your niche so that YouTube can find the right audience for your niche. Because if you post about different topics at the same time, YouTube is not going to know where or who to choose, or who to send your content to, and that will be decreasing your reach. You're not going to get the right reach that you desire, and then your subscribers would be decreased, your watch time would be decreased, and that's not why we are here. So if you want to grow on YouTube in 2025, narrow down your niche, choose a particular niche, a particular topic, and keep posting content on it. You want to have your viewers view several of your videos because they are related, not just viewing one video and then the others are not being viewed because they are not related to what they are interested in. Another thing you need to do is make a list of your competitors. Now your competitors are those big creators in your niche, that those that are already doing very well, that already have massive subscribers and views. Make a list of them, go through their profile and see how many times in a week they upload videos. So if they upload like 3 videos weekly or 2 videos weekly, just make a list of each name of the creator and how many times in a week they upload. Now, if creator A uploads video 2 times a week, put it down. If creator B uploads video 3 times a week, put it down. If creator C uploads video 5 times a week, put it down. And then you're going to mimic each of them to know which is actually working for you, and that's the one you're going to stick with. I hope this is clear. So whichever creator you decide to mimic, after your analysis and you decide that this creator's method of uploading does better for my channel, whichever one you decide to mimic, if you want to do better, if you want to measure up with that creator. Now if the creator posts 3 times a week, you have to post your videos like 4 times a week, just so that you can measure up, you can be ahead or measure up with that creator. Now that's how to be the best or among the best in your niche. I hope this is understood. If you have more questions, you can ask in the comment section and I'll be willing to answer more. Make sure you're focusing on content that your audience are searching for, or content that have already gone viral in your niche, so that you can mimic and recreate such videos. Now, I really hope that this helps. If you're still watching at this point, do well to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment for me, let me know where you're watching from. You can ask your further questions in the comment section. I'll be answering them too. Bye guys. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your post notification so that you do not miss out on any of our updates. Don't only copy videos that have gone viral, also make sure that you're making videos that are ranking for search. Now, videos that are ranking for search will give you views 247. Now, if you want to make videos that are ranking for search, make sure that that keyword you're ranking for is in your description. That keyword is also in your title, so that when people search that for that keyword, your video will always come up, and that way you'll be getting views 247. Now, when you make those videos, make sure that you're making the best and most valuable video of that content, of that topic. Bye, guys.